Hi everyone, here is a quick review of how to factor using the X in the box. So just a reminder, this is A, this is the B term, try again. This is the B term, this is the C term. So on top of the X, it's A times C, so we're going to do 2 times the negative 36. So we'll get negative 72. And then on the bottom is always B, so B is negative 1. So we want two numbers that multiply to the top number and add to the bottom number. So two numbers that multiply to negative 72 are negative 9 and 8. So those multiply to negative 72 and add to negative 1. So now that we have those, we can fill in our box. So remember, it's first term, first box. So that's going to go in the first box. And then it's the last term, last box. Then on the diagonal, we put the two terms from our X that we found earlier. So we're going to have our negative 9 and our 8. And then with both of those needs to go an X. So finally, to do the outside of the box, which are our factors, we're going to look at the top row and find the GCF. So the thing that I can divide from both of these is an X. So X times 2X gives me 2X squared. X times negative 9 gives me negative 9X. And 2X times 4 gives me 8X. And 4 times negative 9 is negative 36. So we got it. So finally, the outsides of the box, these are our factors. Ooh, sorry, my screen keeps messing up. So our final factors are going to be X and a positive 4. And 2X and a minus 9. So that is our factored form.